Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ramisha Mumtaz and today I am going to present my topic Cloud IoT and Fog Computing. In modern technology, billions of smart devices are connected through the internet. These devices continuously generate large amounts of data. Cloud computing helps store and manage this data, while fog computing helps process data quickly near the devices. So, in this presentation, I will explain the introduction, architecture, applications, advantages, challenges, and relationships of cloud, IoT, and fog computing. Let's move to the first slide. First, let us understand these technologies. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a technology that provides services such as storage, servers, databases, and software through the internet instead of local computers. Now, what is IoT? IoT stands for Internet of Things. It refers to smart devices connected to the internet that can collect and exchange data. Examples include smartwatches, smart homes, smart cars, etc. Now, what is fog computing? Fog computing is a decentralized computing system that processes data near the devices instead of sending all the data directly to the cloud. This helps reduce delays and improve speed. Now, need for fog computing. Why fog computing is needed instead of traditional cloud computing? As you know, traditional cloud computing sometimes creates problems like high latency, slow response, network congestion, because all data must travel to distant cloud servers. But in modern applications require real-time processing. Let us take an example of self-driving cars, smart healthcare systems, and traffic control systems. They cannot wait for delayed responses. So, fog computing solves this issue by processing urgent data locally near the devices. This reduces delay and also improves system performance. So, it's important for smart healthcare, self-driving cars, and smart traffic systems. Now in the next slide there is architecture and working model. So it's a three-layer architecture. The first layer is the IoT layer. This layer contains sensors and smart devices that collect data through the environment. The next layer is fog layer. Fog nodes process important and urgent data near the devices. These fog nodes can be routers, gateways, or local servers. The third layer is the cloud layer. The cloud stores large amounts of data and performs advanced analysis and long-term storage. So, the flow of data is from IoT devices to fog nodes and then from fog nodes to cloud servers. Next, in this slide, we are going to discuss the working process. Now, let us discuss how the system works. First, IoT devices collect real-time data through sensors. Second, the data is sent to fog nodes. Third, fog nodes process urgent data quickly near the source. Fourth, important data is forwarded to the cloud servers. And finally, the cloud stores and analyzes the data for future use. For example, in hospitals, sensors monitor patient health conditions. Fog nodes quickly detect emergencies, while cloud servers store medical records and reports. Now, real world applications. These technologies are widely used in many real world applications. In smart healthcare, fog computing helps monitor patients and provide emergency alerts quickly. In smart cities, it helps manage traffic systems, smart parking, and pollution monitoring. In smart agriculture, sensors monitor soil conditions and irrigation systems. In smart transportation, fog computing supports self-driving vehicles and vehicle tracking system. And in last, in industrial automation, it is used for machine monitoring and smart factories. Now, advantages. There are many advantages of fog computing. It provides low latency and faster response time. It reduces bandwidth uses because only important data is sent to the cloud. It improves security and privacy because sensitive data can stay local. Fog computing also supports real time processing and improves overall system reliability. So, in addition, it can support a large number of IoT devices efficiently. Now, in the next slide, there are challenges of fog computing. Despite many advantages, fog computing also has some challenges. Security risks are a major concern because distributed systems may become target for cyber attacks. Managing multiple fog nodes can be complex. High infrastructure cost because there may be additional hardware needed. Different IoT devices may have compatibility issues. Fog nodes also have limited storage capacity compared to cloud data centers, and also they are difficult to maintain. Now, in this slide, we are going to discuss the relation with cloud computing. Cloud, IoT, and fog computing work together as a complete smart system. IoT. IoT devices collect data from the environment for computing processes urgent data locally, and then cloud computing provides large scale storage, advanced analytics, and backup services. So, together, these technologies improve efficiency, reduce delay, and support modern smart applications. Now, in the last slide, there is a conclusion of this topic. In conclusion, cloud, IoT, and fog computing are transforming modern technologies. These technologies provide faster communication, real time processing, and smart decision making. They are also widely used in healthcare, transportation, industries, agriculture, and smart cities. So, fog computing plays an important role by reducing delay and improving system performance. Thank you, everyone. I hope you understood the concept of cloud, IoT, and